Flying Jacket made an extra 300 airplane. This airplane powered by Lycombe IO540 engine. This bringing in over 330 horsepower. So we'll the airplane right down there, show center. Now this airplane has a roll rate of excess of 400 degrees per second. In other words, she throws that stick over to one side. In 1 second, it's going around more than one rotation. It carries a little over 2 hours fuel on board the airplane. That's the top speed. You don't want to never see speed about 250 mile an hour with the airplane. Pull the left hand side, torque rolls the airplane back down, left side, turn around for us. As you torque rolls out of the tail slide, puts nose back down, trades the altitude for airspeed, comes back down, that's from the left hand side of the air show box. Pull right, straight air show center, of course, rolls the airplane out vertical and blind. There she's demonstrating the power of horsepower that can control the extra 300 airplane, push the nose over and fly us away off high. And Jack, you can see the way inside the box, pulls the airplane out, half Cuban 8 turnaround for us, holds that 45 degree down line, point rolls the airplane, coming down that 45. To the right, stops that rotation right about there. Again, push that stick forward, flies there, outside Humpty Bump, turn around. It's kind of fun. You push that stick forward, you go weightless on the seat up against the shoulder harness, and come back down the vertical down line. There's your tail slide. Starts backing the airplane up. You got to get a tight grip on the stick, pushing hard on both throttle pedals at the same time, because that airflow starts going backwards over the control surfaces and tries to rip that stick right out of your hand. Again, the right hand side of the box, ease back to 4G, pull the vertical up line again, and watch her come across top, looking up to see down, making sure she's flying right down the center of the runway where she has to be to satisfy the feds back here today. Talk about any of the aerobatic pilots out there, one of the hardest maneuvers to do is the slow roll. let's talk about trying to impress what it is to fly air show fighter. More at air shows. She spends her time going to schools teaching kids what it's like. She does PR rides, those week-long programs in schools also. Jackie flew 31 different girls and women, several other pilots during a week's-long training session she had in her Extras 300, of course. Again, she's been flying this Extra since 2011. The only record after flying like this stage, the world's airplane night badge force. What keeps the airplane flying, she says. Newbix Incorporated, of course, Champion Aerospace, Goodyear Tires, Decker Avionics USA. Also, Vidalo's Sunglass, HC Sunglass. Hooker Harness keeps her tightly planted inside the cockpit of the airplane. MT Propellers USA. Paraphernalia, Softy Parachutes, which Hope she never has to use with the airplane. Concord Batteries, of course, Oregon Aero Incorporated. Maintenance Express out of Livermore, California. And Cam Guard Oil Additives. Some of the sponsors that help Jackie B keep this airplane flying.